If you're someone that's been looking to purchase in Winter Haven, that's been looking to purchase in Central Florida, and you've been watching us for months, this is an amazing opportunity.
All right. Welcome back to more FLA Homes. If you're new to the channel, my name is Christian Clay. Alongside me is one of our real estate rock stars on the squad, the Knockout King. Chris, what's up, brother?
Bro, you've been taking those boxing lessons
Man,
serious.
yeah, no. Next one, I'm gonna do Southpaw for everybody out there. So hey, look, we're in Winter Haven, Florida. You're actually gonna educate us on this community here, right? Because a lot of people that are looking in Winter Haven might overlook this community for a few reasons, and we're going to talk about that. But we're in technically Winter Haven, Florida. We're going to be showing you an affordable priced community that has multiple builders in it. We're just going to talk about one builder today and try to give you as much information as we can to enlighten you guys. This is a community breakdown. So Chris, the Knockout King, take them home.
Absolutely. So again, we're in Winter Haven. We're covering the Annabelle Estates community, and the builder that we're going to be showing off today is Dream Finders Homes. And those of you that have looked into Dream Founders, they are in our book a level 3 builder, and they decided they wanted to tailor their product to a market that is more along the lines of level 1. So they're building out level 1 homes in a quality price point, but with quality standard features that we're going to be showing off today. But again, if you're someone that's been looking at Winter Haven, Annabelle Estates has a PO box of Lake Wales, but they are in the city of Winter Haven. So it's an under the radar community that many people aren't noticing. So people are probably driving by it without even recognizing where it's at.
For sure. Listen, when it comes to Lakeland, when it comes to Winter Haven for everybody, there's not a lot of new construction in the inner portion of the city because it's a little more dense than you may think it is, right? A lot of people are like Central Florida, there's a lot of land out there, right? But when you start to get to the outskirts, that's when you start to see the newer communities. And this one is pushed so far south of Winter Haven that a lot of people can drive past it. But like you're saying, P.O. Box of Lake Wales, but they're technically in the Winter Haven city limits. Let me show everybody where we're at real quick. Here's Orlando, here's Tampa. Here's Highway 27, which we're going to talk a little more about. You have Davenport, Haines City. Here's Winter Haven, and just in the south section of Winter Haven, if you ever heard of Villamar, Villamar is right around, here's Villamar right here. If you push a little further south, you have that community right there. So you have Highway 60, which is very, very underrated because you can get from one coast all the way into Tampa to the next coast. Let me zoom out a little further for you guys. And you don't have to deal with the interstate I-4, right? I would say only use I-4 if you need to get into Orlando from this location. If not, you can go to Tampa. You can go to Vero Beach if you really wanted to. You are about an hour and 15 minutes to the Tampa International Airport, an hour and 10 minutes to the Orlando International Airport. Come on, Christian, get it out. And then you have Legoland about 14 minutes away. So if you don't care about the theme parks, Orlando, Disney, Universal, Epic Universe, Legoland actually has a really cool theme park, and it's 14 minutes away. Chris, take it away, dude. I can't even get it out.
Exactly. So this is an under radar community because, again, you're right off of 60 that takes you coast to coast. You got Highway 27 that can take you all the way down towards Miami. So if you're someone that's looking to get away from, say, for example, like Broward County, we have a lot of clients that are reaching out to us that are looking to relocate to Central Florida from Broward County. If you're looking to get away from the hustle and bustle that Broward County deals with, or even Orange County, you just want to get away from Orlando. Or if you're someone that lives in Tampa, like in Hillsborough County, that just wants to get away from all of the traffic that I-4 presents, this is a quality community that is truly in Central Florida because you've got access to Tampa an hour and 15 minutes away. You got access to Orlando off Highway 27. You got access to Miami through Highway 27. So it's very convenient, but also like many families may take into consideration Winter Haven and may have a little bit of reservations of what they have access to. But this is such a quality location because you've got two Walmarts within 10 minutes away. You've got a Publix within 10 minutes away. You've got Eagle Ridge Mall that's within 10 minutes away. You have an Advent Health that's less than 10 minutes away. So as far as everyday living, you have everything that you're looking to get. So unless you want to have access to Orlando and stuff like that, and you want to go there every now and then, great. But if you're just looking to be away from all of the traffic and the chaos, so to speak, like this is an excellent location, and it is such a phenomenal price point. So if you're a first time home buyer, go ahead.
Yeah, I was just going to tell everybody, like, you still have access to Orlando. As you can see, an hour and 10 minutes to the Orlando International Airport, right? But it's to get away from the chaos. You're exactly right. You're kind of living under the chaos, but you're not in the woods, I would say. Like some people, like they'd be like, yeah, I don't want to live in the hustle and bustle, but then you're living 2 hours away from everything and you're in the middle of nothing with no light. Like you still have stuff going on. This is a good shot right here of the Eagle Ridge Mall right here in the distance, right? And that is actually in Lake Wales. Now, I will say it's not like the coolest mall in the world, right? But you can go there. You can go to J.C. Penney. You can go to these little, shopping centers. Look at the parking lots a little empty, but you got shopping at your fingertips. So, but we're going to be taking a home tour today. We're going to show you all of the finishes and try to compare this builder to some of the other builders. Matter of fact, take a look at this. This right here. This is Bach Tower in the distance. Anybody watching over here? That's Bach Tower. Really, really neat. If you ever look up Lake Wales or come to Lake Wales, Bach Tower is like known. That's what Lake Wales is known for, Bach Tower.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. And then with Dream Founders, they are going to be, there's also going to be two other builders in the community, Richmond American as well as DR Horton. There's going to be two phases. And in phase one, they're going to have about 300 homes among the three builders. But with Dream Founders specifically, in phase one, they're going to be building out 50 home sites spread across six floor plans, tailored anywhere between 3 bedroom to 4 bedroom, anywhere from 1,400 square feet to right under 2,600 square feet. You got 50-foot home sites with HOA CDD landing right at about $175. But with all the options that they're offering, it is single family. And of the 300 home sites, about 85% of them are going to be all single family.
Very nice. So, you were talking 1,400 square foot. I mean, that goes to show you right there. Let's go ahead and just take a tour of a home. But that just goes to show you what they're catering towards, right? It's a different type of demographic. You have people that are downsizing out here. You have people that are first time home buyers out here. And
Mm-hmm.
typically, when you get that with certain price points, the finishes aren't really up to par. I mean, you get what you get, right? These builders are going to
Mm-hmm.
make these affordable homes with not a lot of finishes in them, just to kind of appeal to you getting in the home at an affordable price point. But when you compare apples to apples, this is one of those builders that's cut from a different cloth, cut from a level 3 cloth, and then they're bringing you the level 1 product. So finishes, you might get a little more when it comes to the finishes.
Exactly. And with the price points, they're going to range anywhere from 270,000 to about 365,000. So affordable price points, and they are cut from that level 3 cloth. So they're going to have standard features such as 42-inch cabinets. So when you compare that to other communities with other builders that are strictly a level 1 product, you may get like 30-inch cabinets or 36-inch cabinets. So knowing that you're getting a standard of 42-inch cabinets is a huge plus. You're getting LVP flooring or tile flooring within the home. You're also going to get tile in the secondary bathrooms, tile along the wall in the primary shower, but not only that, tile on the floor. So you're not dealing with the standards of plastic inserts that tends to come with these level 1 builders, but the price points are right there on par. And you're getting granite countertops in the bathrooms, you're getting quartz countertops, a thick quartz countertops. And
Right.
then when you look at the demographic of new construction in this area, they are offering covered lanais, which are standard across 5 of the 6 floor plans that they offer here.
Talk to us about like where are they at, right? Like let's let the cat out of the bag, right? You may be out there about to set the price point for the entire community, but talk to them about like what they're offering, where they're at in their sales process, and like what's about to happen by the time they probably watch this video.
Yeah, for sure. So they're offering, the standard 4.99 interest rates, which is a quality interest rate for FHA and VA buyers. They're offering 15 to $20,000 in closing cost assistance. But this community has been open for less than a month, and they haven't had any traffic in the community. They haven't had any sales in the community. So if you're someone that's been looking to purchase in Winter Haven, that's been looking to purchase in Central Florida, and you've been watching us for months, and how we lean into securing phenomenal deals, this is an amazing opportunity to secure quality features within a quality home with a quality builder, but also securing an amazing deal that we have with our process, which we call the built method.
Now, you were talking about clients making an offer in here, right? And you brought up a really, really good point because there's no sales inside of the community already. There's no real assessed value. There's no really real assessed value, right? So like, how do we go about navigating that? Like, where would they be at if they were to get an estimate on? Are they paying cash? Are people that are buying in this community?
So our people are paying cash, but there's a little bit of an unknown because again, there hasn't been any sales in the community. If you get an assessment, whether it be financing or just you're going to get an assessment based off the land. So it's going to be a little bit of an unknown when factoring in when November comes around or whenever the county decides to assess your property, what they're going to assess the property at. Now, what we do is we try to help guide you as much as possible by comparing it to other homes in other communities with similar finishes to give you an idea. But this is one of the most important reasons as to why you want to hire representation because we're going to help you navigate the unknowns of buying within a master plan community that is very early on. because we don't want you to be surprised if you get a tax bill that's going to be reflective of the property on the land, but you weren't aware that they were only giving you taxes based off the land of the home because you were one of the first people to buy in that community.
Man, I tell you what, that boy's a wealth of knowledge. The knockout king himself. He's a wealth of knowledge. Now, we're looking at a home that our clients were actually looking at. We're not disclosing the outside because this home could be taken by the time everybody watches this video here. But just to give everybody a look at what one of these properties would look like, not staged, right? And not
Mhm.
with all of the extra bells and whistles that some of these model homes might have. So, but yeah, take us through, I guess, like what other standard finishes might they have? You mentioned 42-inch cabinets. Like, what other things do they do differently that maybe a level one builder won't do?
42-inch cabinets are going to be standard. LVP flooring are one of the standard features, and they're specing the homes out. And what do I mean by that? They are predetermining every single home site. So you're going to get either LVP flooring with a warm tone, or more of a cool tone, which is going to be like a gray LVP flooring. You're going to get tile in the shower bathrooms. So every single bathroom is going to have tile. It's going to have granite countertops. You're going to have a thick quartz countertop that you're going to get here in the kitchen. But it's phenomenal that this is also one of the few builders that they actually utilize Train as their manufacturer for ACs. And I thought that that was something that you usually don't really see because they offer a quality 10-year parts warranty. So as long as you register your appliances within 60 days after closing, you can actually take advantage of a 10-year parts warranty for your AC. And all you got to worry about is just labor if and when anything happens to your AC.
Exactly. Now, speaking of warranty, where is this builder with the warranty?
Mhm.
With
Absolutely.
the
So they
builder warranty?
offer a 1 year workmanship, and then you get your manufacturer warranty with all your appliances, and then you get a 10-year structural. So when you factor that in, taking into consideration with another builder that's going to be in this community, another builder which is likely going to be on par with what they're offering, and they're actually going to be about $20,000 to $30,000 expensive, but they're also cut from that level three cloth. They are actually offering a 7-year structural with a 1 year workmanship. So Christian, if you can get two different builders, comparable homes, comparable features at the same price point. I mean, what home would you prefer?
If I'm chasing affordability, it would be this one all day, right? So you're saying
Yeah.
20 to 30 grand less to have a home like this. Both of the features in both builders are going to be roughly the same, but this one gives me an extra 2 year on the structural warranty all day, every day. Now, if I fall, then sometimes it comes down to the floor plan too, right? If it's
Mhm.
conducive to my lifestyle, if the other floor plan works out better, then I'd have to, damn, I need to probably pay a little bit more. Unless I got us on our side, maybe we can negotiate some
Right.
stuff there. But still, all in all, with the demographic and what they're trying to push towards, I think that this is a very, very solid product. And man,
Absolutely.
I don't know. I think by the time everybody's watching this video, we'd have the first home under contract out here, and maybe we can set the bar on like where the price points are because you better believe we're coming in hot.
Yeah, absolutely. And man, how can I say it? Like we could just take a massive swing at an offer because the builder has nothing to like tailor anything towards. What we do know is they haven't been getting traffic, and we do know that observing the homes, they're quality homes with quality features. So let's just take a massive swing at some insane offers. And it's like, what are you going to do? Not consider it? You're not making any sales. So trust me, they're going to consider something. Whereas maybe a year and a half down the line, where with master plan communities, if you're watching and you're taking that into consideration, prices always trend upwards on a month to month basis. So trust me, if this community was selling, they wouldn't even be budging on prices. They would actually be raising the prices and staying a little bit more firm on this. But it's a massive opportunity where all the leverage is going to be on your side. So again, if you're looking to move to Winter Haven, this is an excellent community. And if you're a visionary that can be patient to wait for the amenities, such as there's going to be a pool in here, there's going to be pickleball courts, there's going to be playgrounds and so forth. But you got to be a little bit patient and wait for those things. If you just want to take advantage of securing an amazing, amazing deal, whether you're a first time home buyer or looking to relocate and downsize, this is a phenomenal opportunity right now. And it's not going to last forever because as soon as they start making sales, they're
They'll know
not
where
going
that
to
bar is, and then they'll
consider,
start
yep,
pushing. Yeah, they'll
they're going
start
to start
pushing them.
pushing. They're going to start raising the prices. They're going to start taking away certain things. So again, just know that this is an amazing opportunity. If you're watching this video looking to move to Winter Haven, hit us up, reach out to us. We can secure you an amazing deal off the rip.
Best way to reach us via email floating above, team@morefla.com. You were talking about the built method, right? Buying a new construction home in Florida is a series of many, many decisions, not just one. It's not like, honey, that's home. Let's go get it. It doesn't really work like that. I mean, it could work like that if you really wanted it to, but you run into so many scenarios and things that happen, right? So we built a method that is foolproof to get you from point A to point B, all the way to the finish line with no
Hmm.
blemishes at all, right? So make sure you
Absolutely.
reach out to us so we can help you out with that. Now, this bathroom, before we hop off, this shows you, this is a perfect example of a layout that you probably wouldn't get at level one, right? Am I saying this is
Yeah.
the most perfect bathroom? No, but think of DR Horton, think of Lennar. You typically would not see this right here, right? You got
Hmm.
that walk-in shower tiled all the way up. Usually they have like the little glass doors with they're probably not even glass, right? The plastic doors with the little
Yeah.
metal
Yeah.
rim around it or whatnot. But
Yes.
dual sinks, and then you were telling me earlier, which I just saw, dual closets too, right? So you're not sharing a closet with your partner.
Yes, absolutely. So with this floor plan, it's the points in a floor plan. It's a 4 bed, 2 bath, just shy of 2,100 square feet. But when you walk through the floor plans, you got a flex space that can be converted into an office or a dining room. You got 4 bedrooms, but not only that, you got two massive primary closets within the bathroom, and the bedroom itself is huge. So it's I see a lot of floor plans where you may get dual closets and one of the closets are smaller than the other one, and us men, we're probably going to get the smaller one, but this one, they're both equally sized, so it's a quality floor plan at a quality price point. I mean, you can secure this home in the low 300,000s.
There we go. Now we don't want to say too much because we have some stuff going on, people. But hey, if you want more information on it, send us an email. We'll get all of that over to you. I thought that was good. I mean, I think it's not a flashy community. It's one of those ones where it's like, hey, if you're looking for these price points, if you don't need to be in the hustle and bustle, check this one out, right? And I think we did a good job of at least turning the stone over. Now,
Absolutely.
there's other builders in the community. We'll circle back. We'll talk about those other builders, but we thought for the price point, this right here has the most opportunity, at least right now.
We've said it before. We're going to help you secure the best community with the best home for you and your family at the best price point that we can secure for you. And right now, you can get an amazing price point for a quality home with quality features. Nothing flashy, but if you're a first time home buyer, this is a quality top tier level one product that you can get in this community.
I concur with that, people. Hey, look, if you made it this far, do me a favor, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, what the heck are you doing? Catch you guys on the next one.